Hey guys, today I want to show you how my day is going, how I work, study and chill. I really like this kind of video format, like vlogs. It's very cozy and inspiring. I look forward to your feedback in the comments. My morning starts with the simplest breakfast. Also, I don't really like to eat much in the morning, so scrambled eggs are perfect. I used to have tea and sweets after every meal. And watch something during After breakfast, I sit down to work. Right now I'm doing a project for my new video, but for you it's already finished. And if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. I will look for ideas for my projects, actually programming and even more, so front-end development is limitless possibilities and ideas. One day I can write 5 ideas for the next videos, but some of them I can remove later and leave the best ones. Did a little work, I got a package at the post office and let's go get it together. Oh, I love this minimalist boxes. New stickers. Oh yeah, just look how cool they are.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
It's time to finish the project. It seems to be finished. It looks nice and modern. Apart from developing functionality, I really like to create design. But now programming is just my hobby. I don't work on commercial projects because, as you know from this video, I live in Ukraine and now it's not the best situation for junior developers. A lot of companies have left the Ukrainian market and everything's just difficult. Also, I play on the guitar a little.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me
After a minute of creativity, it's time to clean up. I love the process of cleaning because you can also clear your mind. It's a process during which good ideas come up, and generally you really don't think about anything bad. Only about how dirty your apartment is. Let's go for a walk. Returning to the topic of programming, I would like to say that this is why I disappeared for 7 months. I simply stopped seeing the point of programming, but then I realized that I just love it. I love the process of creating new projects, even if they are not commercial projects. I love writing code, and I have my channel, where there are more than 37,000 of them. Thank you all guys. Just do what you love, even if you don't know where it will take you, because doing what you love makes us happy, and that's the most important thing. After finishing the project, I start making a new one. I've got a login sign up form with the light and dark mode changing, which I'm doing in React.js. ignore the design for now because I'm doing functionality first. This will be the topic of my next video, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Also write your thoughts in the comments about this video, and thank you so much for watching.